kind of fear do you have? There are two types of fears. One is a situational fear and one is a psychological fear. It is true that instinctual fear is healthy, it keeps us safe. But many people give too much merit to fear. They believe that by living in a perpetual state of fear, they are somehow protecting themselves and their loved ones. But unless you are under immediate threat, fear is unnecessary. You don't need fear to avoid danger, just a minimum of intelligence and common sense. For example, the reason you don't put your hand in fire is not because of fear. You know that when you put your hand in fire, you will get hurt. When a child touches a hot stove or a gas, he knows that he's going to get burned, and the burn is equals to pain. So they avoid touching the hot stove or gas. But there is no fear involved. The problem is that you can always cope with the present moment, but you cannot cope with something which is in your imagination. Most of the time, it happens that people just imagine fear, they imagine the worst, and then they keep getting anxious, they keep getting stressed upon various situations. This is all imaginary, they have not gone through it. So what happens when people actually go through something and then they realize that it is actually not at all that bad what they were imagining? So same thing is happening to us today. We are all aware of the current situation after the second wave of COVID has hit our country, and we are seeing that there is a dearth of oxygen, there is a dearth of hospital beds, people are looking for life-saving drugs, and somehow most of us are afraid because of the situations we are in currently. But by following certain protocols, by following the safety measures, by staying at home, we can control this situation. This is in our hands. We can save ourselves and our loved ones. But if we remain in fear of the uncertain, if we remain afraid, and we just keep on thinking that it's going to affect us also, and we are also going to go through the same situation of running around for hospital beds or oxygen and the drugs, etc., we will not help ourselves. We will in fact be more stressed. So it's better that we follow the protocol and follow the safety measures. We look after ourselves, we look after our loved ones, and try to be safe. So stay indoors, stay safe, stay well, look after yourself, keep doing regular exercises, do pranayama, do yoga, eat well, sleep well. God bless us all.